Most people get travel credit cards wrong. They focus only on points. But the Celebrity Cruises Visa Signature Card has some unique perks for cruise lovers. If you are planning a cruise, here's what you need to know before applying. This card offers 2 points per $1 spent on Celebrity Cruises purchases and 1 point per $1 on all other purchases. The points can be redeemed for onboard amenities, flights, or even statement credits. The surprising truth is that these points effectively reduce your onboard spending, which is usually one of the biggest costs on a cruise. Another key benefit is the $250 onboard credit when you book a qualifying cruise using your card. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a small perk. $250 can cover specialty dining, spa treatments, or excursions. There's also a welcome bonus of points after spending a certain amount in the first few months, which can give your first cruise a nice boost. There's no foreign transaction fee, which is great if you cruise internationally. Annual fees are around $95, which is reasonable given the onboard credits and rewards. Most people underestimate this benefit, but it can easily offset the fee if you use the card for cruise purchases. In conclusion, the Celebrity Cruises Visa Signature Card is ideal for frequent cruisers who want to maximize points, enjoy onboard perks, and reduce overall cruise costs. If cruises are a big part of your travel plans, this card can pay for itself quickly. Subscribe for more travel credit card insights so you can cruise smarter.